I'm going to show you how to work both a right-leaning and a left-leaning lifted increase. To begin, I'm just going to take 2 knit stitches for my selvage, and then I'll show you how to work a right-leaning lifted increase between the 2nd and 3rd stitch of this row. First, identify the stitch directly below the stitch on your left needle. Use the tip of your right needle to pick up the right leg of that stitch and place it on your left needle. Now, knit that newly lifted stitch. That's it. That's how you work a right-leaning lifted increase. One thing to note is that you just work this stitch here that you just worked below normally, just like that. So now I'm going to continue to the end of my row and show you how to work a left-leaning lifted increase. To work a left-leaning lifted increase, identify the stitch 2 rows below the stitch on your right needle. Use the tip of your left needle to pick up the left leg of that stitch, right here, and then knit that stitch through the back loop. And that's how you work a left-leaning lifted increase. This increase creates a really minimal mark, and so sometimes is referred to as an invisible increase. That's it.